Hello, class. This is Professor Thompson, and I wanted to create a very quick video to show you how to upload your work for the exams. This is either for the midterm or the final exam. What you have in front of you are the upload files for the different data sets, or I should say, the different statistical software that we're using. You will have a file where you can upload your editor script py file and the master copy of your Python work into a Word document, which I will show you momentarily, and also an Excel file. Okay, well, let's begin with the Python. So, as you can see here, as we discussed in class, um, the on my left, you have the editor's script py file. This is where you save your coding for your work. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to run a few bits of code lines, and let's also run some summary stats. All right. Now, after you're done putting in all of the code for the problems for the exam, of course, you're going to click this cartridge here. You're going to save. You'll click save, and then you will return to Canvas your exam, and you'll click on for the editor py file. You'll click on the choose a file, and here it will be the your file name .py. The extension will be a .py for that file, and you'll click on it and then upload your file there. Now for the master copy, that is the information that appears on my right over here. This is the console where the codes and answers are outputted. So what I'd like for you to do is to highlight all of your work and copy it. And then you're going to paste it. Then you will paste it into a Word doc. And I already have one completed here. You'll type master copy on here, and then you're going to label the different problems. So problem 1 here, students highlight the work, which is perfectly fine. And whatever you can do to make this a gradable product, this is something that I can find your work and the answer fairly quickly. It is very helpful to you. Okay, and then if you have, and then of course you're going to have a second problem, so you will type problem 2, and then you will copy and paste your work there. You will save it, okay, and to wherever you would like to save it. You'll return to Canvas. You'll click on choose a file, and then you will upload your Word docx. Okay. Now, now there will be problems that you have to perform in Excel. And I have here a problem that I ran in Excel, and I did the ran between function between the values of 200 and 1,000. And so what I will do here after I'm done, well, the first thing I would like for you to do is to make sure you only use one problem or question per worksheet. So I have, this is question 1, here's question 2, and you can just click on the plus and you can type in question 3 or problem 3. Okay, and that way I don't have to hunt around for your worksheet. If your problem has an answer, you can highlight the answer. That will be fine as well. And then you want to save your work, we'll return to Canvas, choose a file, and then you will upload your Excel file. All right. Now, one other thing I wanted to show you is that you will have an essay box for your work in Excel or Python. And for this one, what I would like for you to do is to make sure you copy and paste your code and your answer into the essay box. This is a secondary source for supporting your work in case something is missed, and that way you will receive credit for your work. And I have had students highlight answers. Uh, you can highlight the answers. For example, if this was the most of the information here, I've had students highlight it in whatever color they wanted, and that is perfectly fine. And you can also, and there will also be problems in Excel and what you can do. So for example, here is the code. You can copy the code and let's return. And then you want to include your you want to include whatever your answer might be as well. And that is what the essay boxes are used for. Also in the essay boxes, I ask you to provide commentary on a data set. If I ask you to interpret your results, this is interpret results. You will type in and interpret your results, and or any other commentary that the problem requires. Okay, well, that is all that I have. This is a good way for you to understand what I'm looking for in the exam. And one other thing, make sure you are reading the instructions for the exams, and so you're not forgetting anything. All right, well, if you have any questions, please email me or see me during office hours. Bye now.